right, guys, we're here to ride Kentucky Kingdom's 6th newest coaster here, Flying Fox Vekoma SFC. Oh, y'all don't know how long I've been waiting for this. Kentucky Kingdom is my home park, and I am beyond thrilled. Let's get it. Yeah, buddy. Flying Fox! Woo! Yeah! Oh, man! Yeah! It's so smooth!